Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2021 Chevy Traverse all-wheel drive. Moving on to the interior of our LT Traverse, power windows and door locks, power liftgate. This vehicle has cruise control, front collision alert, has heated front seats, also a heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth. This Traverse all-wheel drive has the 3.6 liter engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. With captain's chairs in the second row, there's easy pass-through to the third row seating, lots of room. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2021 Chevy Traverse, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.